Finally, Dojoswap is live. As I told you in previous video, before 17 March, the developer will launch Dojoswap. And now you can see the proof. Dojoswap, the decentralized exchange of Shibnobi token, finally launched in market. Now in this video, I will guide you how you can use Dojoswap, how you can buy and sell any cryptocurrency. Each and everything I will guide you inside this video. We all are the lover of Shibnobi token. We all are the holders. So that's why we are here to promote Shibnobi token, not only me. We all are just promoting Shibnobi token in order to kill 3 zeros to 5 zeros in 2022. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about Shibnobi token, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto mining, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Don't forget to like our video, because if you like our video, YouTube will share this video with all users. So that's why you are my community and you can support me. So just click on the like button, type your ID in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. So finally the time is over. Shibnobi token developers just launched Dojoswap. We expect a huge pump once the Dojoswap live in crypto market. But unfortunately, here you can see the price dropped 16% in 24 hours. Although nowadays, you know, the whole crypto market is down. The whole crypto market is bearish. The price is just falling down, fake out. So that's why all cryptocurrencies are down about 10%, 20%, 50%. Don't worry. One day we can see a bullish time. One day we will have a good time once you all are in profit, once we all are in profit. So that's why don't worry about Shibnobi token price, because we need to give time to Shibnobi developers. We need to give time to the whole cryptocurrencies. Once this bad market, once this bad days or situations finished, on that time we can see a good time, a good day. So you can see the current price of Shibnobi token is 0.14 times zeros, 86.61. In one day the price, now you can see, dropped 10%. So daily volume is 4 million. You can see the daily volume increased 72%. It means lots of people are just investing to Shibnobi token. So if I show you the holders, you can check. Finally, we just reached 62,000 holders and we are near to 63,000 holders. On each minute, people are just buying Shibnobi token from Uniswap, Hoardbit or other crypto exchanges. If you check the holders, here you can see developers, Shibnobi developers total 47.21% of the total supply is in burn wallet. It means now the Dojoswap will burn Shibnobi token. I will show you how. As you can see, Shibnobi is live at the Crypto Expo Dubai 2022. So you can check the picture. Shibnobi token is just on Crypto Expo Dubai 2022, which is a good point for Shibnobi token. In here, in Dubai Expo, everyone will know about Shibnobi token, what they are going to launch in future, what is the planning, what is the roadmap, because there are the holders or there are the lovers of Shibnobi token that guiding people about Shibnobi token. Dojoswap is launched a few hours ago. But you can see it is a possibility that Dojoswap.Ninja may have issues later today as we integrate the new UI. So you might face a little problem because they are just integrating to the new user interface. So that's why if I show you the Dojoswap, this is how Dojoswap looks like. Amazing. What a beautiful design. You can see looking like academy, karate academy. Yes, so that's why you can see here amazing Dojoswap interface. You can see although they are just integrating new user interface. So this is the light mode. If I show you the dark mode, so you can see this is the dark mode of Shibnobi Dojoswap. But I think light mode looks better. So now I will show you how you can use this Dojoswap. First of all, the link is dojoswap.ninja. So in here you can swap any token. For example, if I show you in here, as I told you, Dojoswap is a multi-chain decentralized exchange, as we have Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon. So if you want to buy any cryptocurrency on Binance Smart Chain, you can select BSC. If you want to buy on Polygon, then you can select Polygon, same like this. So you can check here, as we have same like PancakeSwap. This is the BNB and this is the Cake coin. First of all, we need to connect our wallet. Simply click on Connect Wallet. In here we have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, and click on More option. So there are many wallets, as we have Math Wallet, Binance Chain, Coin98, SafePal, Token Pocket. So now I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet. Simply I will click on MetaMask. So finally my MetaMask is just connected. In here you can check I have 0.00079 BNB. So for example, now let's check. In here we are just going to find all cryptocurrencies. You can check in here. If those cryptocurrencies are not available in here, simply go to coinmarketcap.com, copy the contract address and simply paste it here. And then you can find the token or cryptocurrency. If I show you, there are many cryptocurrencies that launch on Dojoswap. There are many. Suppose as we have Saitana Nobi, and we have Floki Mask, and scroll up we have Trino DAO. So there are many applications, there are many projects that are launching on Dojoswap. So that's why you can find everything in here. For example, I will select Alpaca, and then in here simply click on maximum. I don't have that much BNB. So and then you can just click on swap button, complete the transaction of MetaMask. Like this you can buy any cryptocurrency, and the cryptocurrency or the token will be on your MetaMask wallet, not on Dojoswap, because you are buying with your MetaMask wallet. So that's why your all cryptocurrencies or tokens will be on your MetaMask wallet. Whenever you want to sell your token on Dojoswap, the same thing. Simply connect your MetaMask wallet, select the token that you want to sell it. Simply in place of BNB, select the token that you want to, for example, you want to sell it. For example, I am going to sell USDT. In here I will select BNB, and then once select BNB, click on maximum. Now I don't have that much transaction fees, so that's why simply click on enable and then click on swap button, complete the transaction. Like this you can sell your token. So now if you understand about the swapping, in here we have liquidity. If you want to create any liquidity, so you can create it in here. If you check the left side, in here what you can find, so I will click in here. So first one is swap option, and then we have staking. It means in future we can stake our Shibnobi token on Dojoswap, but unfortunately staking option is not live, coming soon, so we don't know when the developer will launch staking. And then we have Shibnobi website. In here CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Learning Hub, and then we have their Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. So this is the Dojoswap, how you can use the Dojoswap, how you can connect your wallet. So staking is coming soon. Make sure subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, because once the staking is launched, I will make a video. So you can check in here Shibnobi Dojoswap updates about the burning of Shibnobi token. The buybacks and burns for each transaction in Dojoswap will now happen automatically. The team is making some final adjustment to one of the Dojoswap contract to implement this mechanism, but we are still on schedule to launch prior to our Dubai both dates 16 and 17 March. So finally on their Dojoswap, they are just burning their Shibnobi token on each transaction. They will buy back Shibnobi token and they will burn Shibnobi token. So this is all about Dojoswap. I hope you understand this video. I hope you love this video. What I think, if you ask from me, I love the Dojoswap. Their user interface, the lookings, each and everything I like about the Dojoswap. So tell me in the comment section, do you like the Dojoswap? What do you think about Shibnobi token, the Dojoswap? So tell me in the comment section. Smash the like button to a new all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So this video is just end up here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.